and you dance at the club. Oh mama, I'm just having fun.
Dito sa part na to.
Pink Pony Club, I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club.
Hello mga ka-Tricks, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, Gamamix TV mga ka-Tricks, and for today's video, alright, Alex Elaka na naman yung ating gawa ng reaction mga ka-Tricks. Sa earpiece ng sumayad, ang ginaya niya is si, kalimutan ko mga ka-Tricks, pero nag-search ako sa YouTube kung sino yung in-impersonate niya mga ka-Tricks, alright. What's this?
Alexa, pumasok ka na sa Iconator. Good luck, babe!
Thank you, Kuya.
Ayan mga kapamilyars, hot to go ang ready ng ating Gen Z star na mag-transform bilang isa sa pinakabagong power pop sensations.
Kaya say goodbye to Alexa Ilacan and say hello to Chapel Roll!
Si Chapel Road mga ka-Tricks, ang kanta niya. So, alright mga ka-Tricks, nung na-research ko si Chapel Road mga ka-Tricks, alright, hindi ko akalain na ganun yung kanyang appearance at ang ganda niya doon sa stage, talagang very colorful, no? Ito naman sa Alexa Lakad mga ka-Tricks, ang ating gawa ng video reaction.
Alexa, music please.
I know you wanted me to stay, but I can't explore the crazy visions of me in LA. I heard Queens every single day. I'm having wicked dreams of leaving Tennessee. You Santa Monica.
Alright mga ka-Tricks, alright, sa appearance, no doubt, ang galing ni Alexa mga ka-Tricks kumaya. And then, kakaibang explorer na naman itong aking nakita ko na Alexa Lakad mga ka-Tricks. Si Chapel Road, what's this?
I swear it's calling me. Won't make my mama proud. She's gonna cause a scene. She sees her baby girl. I know she's gonna scream. God, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at.
Alright, so dito ako namang mga ka-Tricks. What have you done? Kasi yung cute na boses na ginaya ni ni Alexa Lakad mga ka-Tricks, ang ganda pakinggan doon sa original version. Alright, pero kuha ni Alexa yung cuteness na part. Pati yung performance mga ka-Tricks. Ang ganda ng appearance na dito.
Love, oh mama, I'm just having fun on the stage in my ears.
Ang cute.
It's where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing out in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club.
Alright, ang galing ni Alexa mga ka-Tricks mag-impersonate ng isang persona at ang gustong-gusto ko sa kanya dito is yung kanyang very, ano talaga sabi, very ano talaga siya, hard working when it comes to this. Parang asang drag race sa ano nito sa outfit at sa look na to mga ka-Tricks, parang asang drag race. But when you see the Chapel Road on her original video mga ka-Tricks, it just look alike what Alexa did mga ka-Tricks. Amazing. Tuwang-tuwa si Sharon Grabe ang ng transformation ni Sharon mga ka-Tricks. Ang laki ng pinayat niya at praise looking overload.
Don't think I left you all behind. Still love you in Tennessee. You're always on my mind. And mama, she's watching every Saturday. I can hear your southern draws 1,000 miles away. Sing it! What have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club. Oh mama,
Dito sa part na 'to mga ka-church medyo kinabahan ako kasi akala ko hindi niya magagaya. Kasi nga ang hirap naman kasi pasanin mga ka-church ng katulad nito na pasan talaga ba, ano? Pero, natapos niya mga ka-church.
On the stage in my heels, it's where I belong. Down at the Big Pony Club, I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Big Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing out in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Big Pony Club.
Ang lakas maka 90s ang music na 'to mga ka-church. I don't know kung, ito talaga ay, belonging to the 90s. Hindi ko na-research. Pero na-research ko yung video at, concert ni Chapel Roan. Ang ganda. Grabe. Colorful. Oo, colorful. Alright. And dito naman sa performance ni Alexa. Oh, amazing. Talaga amazing. Alright.
Big Pony Club.
At saka yung kauna-nahang celebrity contender mga ka-church si Yorkie Sounds Pamilya ang nag-perform sa sa Yorkie Sounds Pamilya mga ka-church. And, bago sina Jamiel. And yun na nga. Ang kulang gawa ng reaction si Jamiel mga ka-church. And yun na nga. Ganda ng appearance na dito at kuwang-kuha yung look ni kuwang-kuha yung look ni Chapel Roan mga ka-church. And talagang nagmukha siyang drag race dito, no? Which is, na-curious ako bakit ganito yung look ni Chapel Roan. Ni-research ko yung si Chapel Roan at ganito ba talaga yung look niya. And eventually, maliit lang yung mukha ni Chapel Roan mga ka-church. And she is so cute. And Alexa was dated already. Hindi man ganun ka plakado yung mukha ni Alexa mga ka-church kasi medyo malaki-laki naman. Pero yung shape, ang ganda. Kuwang-kuha. Pati yung hair, curly hair, at saka yung performance. Alright. So yun na nga mga ka-church. Dito na yung reaction video. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share. Puto button bell to notify our new uploaded videos. Bye-bye.